Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchens. Another review we have. So these are some bars that I've been seeing around the internet a lot. They're called no-cow bars. No-cow bars. So we grabbed two of them while we're out and about at the health food store just to see how healthy they are.
Plus to appreciate this name.
Okay. Well, she has a thing against it because hence her and her.
I'm protesting.
Why are you protesting?
I'm protesting because I don't appreciate no cow. Like
I think
no milk, no dairy, that's fine, but no cow, that's rude.
Wow. So I mean, but it's a clever play on words. I mean, no cow instead of saying no milk. Who's gonna buy a no milk bar? Right?
The people who don't like milk bars.
Anyway,
There's actually a milk bar brand.
well, even though she's protesting, we're going to at least try the bar out, and we'll let you know what's inside each bar. Some of the stats. So we chose to get blueberry cobbler bar and
The lemon meringue pie bar.
yeah. So those are two delicious flavors.
Catchphrase is also no cow, no bull, no whey. And the whey is spelled like whey powder.
Ah, okay, I didn't see that. No cow, no bull, no way. Exclamation point. Okay. And so, let me read what's in the blueberry one, and then you can read what's in the lemon one. So it says blueberry cobbler bar, no dairy, of course, 22 grams of protein, and 1 gram of sugar in a blueberry bar. You have 200 calories. Oops, upside down. Well, 200 calories, 5 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 22 proteins. And the dietary fiber is 18 grams of fiber, 1 sugar, and 4 sugar alcohol. So that's 18, 19, 20, 22. So 22 of it is fiber and sugar alcohol, which leaves you with, it should still leave you with 3 sugars though. Wait, 22 and 25. Yeah, it should leave you with 3 sugars still. They only put 1 regular sugar. I don't know why, but okay. But yeah, so.
The stats in this one's about the same.
Yeah, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's pretty much the same, probably different flavor. So it says it's gluten-free, no sugar added, non-GMO, soy-free, vegan, and non-dairy. And the ingredients are protein blend, which is a mix of brown rice protein and pea protein, isomalto, here we go, isomalto oligosaccharides.
That sounds like a biblical name.
Yeah, yes it does. Isomalto oligosaccharides.
It is the cousin of Rat Shack and Benny.
Oh my gosh, Rat Shack and Benny. Anyway, and glycerin, almonds, palm oil, cocoa butter, natural flavor, salt, erythritol is a sweetener, water, monk fruit sweetener as well as a sweetener. So it's not too bad. But I looked up. I tried to find out what was that iso. Let me see.
Isomalto.
Can you read it?
Oh.
Okay, IMO. So that's what a lot of bars, some things have IMO here. Okay, so anyway, that isomalto
Saccharides.
Anyway, IMO is a mixture of short chain carbohydrates which has a digestion resistance property. IMO is found naturally in some foods as well as being manufactured commercially. The raw material used for manufacturing IMO is starch, which is enzymatically converted into a mixture of isomaltoligosaccharides.
It also says it on the back of the bar.
Let's say.
It says that it's prebiotic fibers derived from plant sources.
Oh,
Because there's a little asterisk next to it, and then at the bottom under allergens,
okay.
it says it right there too.
Oh, cool. At least they give you the details in it, so they don't leave any, as far as we know, anything out. So what we're going to do, and this bar lasts until 2019, so I guess maybe a year's time. So that's pretty good. And it is 2.12 ounce bar. So we'll open 1 bar at a time, or
It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna taste the blueberry. I don't like blueberry.
you need to give it a try.
No.
So let's see. They have a coating
Okay.
on them. Well, since they're fruit flavor, they probably will have a chocolate coating. Not to say that some bars don't.
It smells good.
It smells fruity. Oh, it does smell good, huh? Let me smell. Ooh, that lemony smells really good. This smells like, artificial blueberry, but it still smells like blueberry. But it smells good. So this is what the bar
It
looks
almost
like.
looks like a caramel bar.
It does. So the thickness is like that.
Should it like dive right in?
Yeah, we can just break a piece off though, just in case you want to share with Jamie later. Just break a piece off. And look, oh, so it's really creamy.
3, 2.
I want to get it mixed up.
Well, I mean, I'm not gonna try it.
Oh.
Say 3, 2.
3, 2, 1. Well, what's your thoughts? I might have to try that one too.
It's not bad.
Right.
It's a weird texture,
Yeah.
but it tastes like a protein bar texture.
Yeah.
It just breaks apart easier than a protein bar normally
Yeah.
does. The flavor is very light, so it's not like the twang of the lemon hits you, and you're like, whoa, okay, there's the lemon.
Yep.
But then afterwards it fades out, and you just have a slight lemon.
Yeah.
If you don't like really grainy textures, then you wouldn't like this because it is grainy.
Yes, it is.
But it's not like, to me, it's not bad though,
It's
because
not
I
bad.
expected it, like the grainy kind of stuff kind of just dissolved away. Like you ate it, and then it was there, and then it was like, okay, it's gone now, you know?
Yeah. The texture, like she said, to me it just tastes really artificial. You know, in a sense. Yeah. If you are, maybe because I'm so used to eating certain things now, if you are new to keto and you want something that tastes like kind of like I won't say candy barish, but something to
Do they
like.
have other flavors?
Oh yeah, they have tons of other flavors. I saw a lot of other
Where do you
flavors.
get them?
This was at the health food store, a discount nutrition store on Eastern by your grandmother. So yeah, so this I mean, it's melty. Almost like it's kind of almost like you're eating a little bit of candy in a sense, like you know, like a treat.
Like strangely enough, I'd eat it again
Okay.
if I have that. I need something sweet kind
Yeah.
of flavor.
It'll cover that for
That
sure.
whole, you know, it's for me. It's like that time, and I'm like, I need something sweet, or else I'm going to murder
That makes
someone.
sense.
And then this would kind of hit it. Like
Yeah.
the only problem for me is I don't do fruits very well.
Right.
Like if they had a vanilla,
They did. They
Or
had
they have a
cookies
Oreo
and cream,
or-
I believe I saw.
Really?
So, yeah. I just grabbed the two fruit flavors because I just was interested to see how you can, because usually it's kind of in a sense hard to pull off the fruit flavor bars when people make those, but to make like, everyone makes the peanut butter ones, the chocolate
I
ones.
actually really like.
You know what I mean? Don't most people make the peanut butter ones, the chocolate ones? Those are things that's
It
easily.
seems easier, and
easier
but it
to
also
cover
seems
up.
that's the thing that is people want more. Cause
Yeah, of course.
if I want fruit, I'll just go eat fruit
Yeah.
kind of thing. 'Cause
But-
especially if you're on a healthy kick,
Yeah, that's-
not necessarily a keto kick.
Yeah.
Then you just go
Yeah.
for the fruit.
Yeah.
But if you're on a keto kick
That's why I want to
and you
get this.
can't have as much fruit,
Right.
then yeah, this is a better like taste.
I think I like the lemon more than the blueberry because
Should I stop eating
you
it?
should taste the blueberry one though. It doesn't taste like blueberry. But
I don't like artificial blueberry.
Yeah.
either. Like I don't like artificial
just-
strawberry.
Yeah.
I don't like artificial blueberry.
No.
Anything that's like a berry that's artificial.
Yeah.
I really don't like, unless it's like a mixed berry.
Yeah.
But that's gotta be like candy mixed berry. If it's like a real mixed berry, it tastes way too sweet for me. So
It's good. The texture does melt in your mouth. It's not chewy and taffy like some protein bars.
there are little pieces in it though that you have to.
And
bite
the
down
lemon
on.
one.
Yeah.
But not in the blueberry one, there's no pieces at all. The lemon one has a little crunch. And it's called lemon meringue though, pie. Okay, so
The
maybe
crunch is probably the pie.
they're
crust.
trying to put pie crust in there. I see what they did.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Look at show the bottom because it's really crunchy. Yeah. So it's good. I would say I would recommend it. The no cow bar.
What's the price?
It's really tasty. The price, I think they were only like $1.99. They weren't even expensive. That's why I grabbed. Actually, no, $1.89. I started to grab more, but I was like, well, I'll try two
Try it.
first because I didn't want to be stuck with a bunch, even though I'm doing a review. But I will get more so we
Might
can
have
taste
to, I'm
more
gonna probably
again.
eat this.
Yeah. No, that's fine to have it. So that's unusual.
It is a
She
little
don't like
dry.
protein bars, so
It is a little dry though.
that's a big thing.
So like if you're gonna eat it, have water. Because once it dissolves away, you're like,
It's chocolate. Slight chalk feel like.
but I'm that weird person who likes that. Like, I don't know if anybody knows it, but the candy cigarettes
Oh
that
yeah.
come from the ice cream trucks and stuff like that, those were my
The
favorite.
white ones when you were
candy.
kids, right? That you chew and eat.
and then the like Smarties and stuff like that. Those are my favorite candies. So like the chalky thing is not new to me.
It's chalky, yeah. It's pretty good though. They're not bad at all. I would like to try some more flavors. I only, like I said, I only grab these fruit ones because I figure most of the time it's hard for people to pull off fruit. I mean, at least in my experience, to when I find bars and stuff
And
like
still
that.
make it sweet enough.
And especially when it comes down to just like a proteinish kind of bar, not like the Lara bars that you see it all the time that just has nothing and fruit in it. You know what I mean? That's a given. You can't mess it up. But like bars that have the flavor of fruit. So for this video, what would you give between 1 and 5? What would you give this bar?
It's a 4.
Nice. Okay.
Because it's really good.
Yeah, I'd give it a 4 too.
It's the texture that does throw you off, and it's like the flavor doesn't necessarily linger. It's kind of like, that's a flavor,
Right.
and
Yeah.
then it dissolves away.
Yeah, that's true.
And then like this is good, but this is basing it off of the lemon meringue pie one, and it tastes of blueberry, so I'm like,
Right.
but the lemon meringue pie,
Yeah, that's good.
it's really good.
I like that one because no, I'm okay. But I like that one because it kind of you get that lemon feel, that tangy, and then
I
it's
could
like,
just
okay.
be hungry.
And I love lemon everything. No, you wouldn't eat it if you were hungry at all because you don't need to eat like that.
That's true.
You're like, it's just nasty. It's nasty.
I'll starve to death before I actually eat something.
Yes, especially
Like if
especially
I
broccoli.
was left on an island and they were like, you need to survive. Here's some broccoli. Here's some strawberries.
Oh, broccoli.
I'll be like, well, I guess I'm eating sand.
Sand soup.
Or I'll be like, you have fun with that. I'm gonna go make a stick and gonna go get some fish, and I will eat the fish raw like sushi. If I
Oh my gosh. Anyway.
I will improvise.
Well, so then only problem. So what is the negative that you have about the? Do you like for instance? I know you said you don't like the graininess a little bit, but do you like the packaging? I think the packaging is
it's
pretty cool.
simplistic.
It's simplistic. It stands out though. Even though it's simplistic, it stands out. All you need is 2 colors.
Yeah,
That's how all of them are.
I think some energy bars go too much by going like, we're gonna put a pie on here to make people feel like they're actually eating pie. Or
Right,
like,
right.
We're gonna put cookies and cream, like Oreos on here to make it look like it's actually Oreos. Well, this is just like, this is the flavor. This is what it is.
Yeah, I like that actually because you know why? It's not misleading, and sometimes when you see that on the bar, you think your mind is like, "Ooh, I'm about to have me some apple pie."
And
so then you eat it. You're like, "It doesn't taste like apple pie. It has a hint of apple flavor."
Yeah,
and then you feel
the same.
disappointed. So they don't definitely no cow does not set you up for disappointment.
I think the other thing about the no cow thing, as much as I don't like it being called no cow, the point between that is the milk and them saying there's no bull. Like, what you get is what you get, what you see is what you see. But it's a nice way of saying no cow rather than no bull because cows are the animal that, well, technically heifers produce milk. Bulls are the male version of cows. But it's their way of saying there's no milk and there's no crap. It's just straightforward, this is what you get, you know? So I think that's clever.
I like it.
And then they put the little like copyright thing.
Is this the ear?
I don't know, to me it looks like a leaf. But it might be a combination of it looks like an ear and a leaf to kind of do, look, it's a cow, and also it's natural.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I was looking at I keep thinking it's the ear.
I feel like it's up to interpretation.
I'm gonna have to ask them. Literally, I'm gonna have to call or something. And say,
I mean, there's an email on the back.
Yeah. Yep. But companies, they love feedback, so I think I will give her my feedback this time. I like it. I'm gonna try more bars and yeah. So pretty. And it says hashtag no cow. So guys, if you check it out, do that hashtag no cow, hashtag enjoy. We were talking about hashtag earlier, so it's kind of funny. But anyway, nonetheless, this was a good review. And if you want to see more reviews like that with me and my daughter, we will find some more stuff. All right, that we like. And if you have any ideas, guys, of things that you have seen at the store and you were interested in seeing what it tastes like, let us know. Comment.
Like moon cheese.
Like, did we do a moon cheese video? Oh, that was me and my husband. We'll do one thing.
Maybe I'll be invited to get cheese next time. Maybe we can do an entire cheese tasting.
We could. I have a cheese dome over there to let the cheese sit out, so maybe we'll do that. But anyway, guys, let me know, comment below what would you like to see us do next. And I'm Rosemarie.
I'm Kalika.
And this is my daughter. And we are going to sign out now from Facebook Keto Kitchen. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Peace out.